Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rotisserie motor is probably one of the most important components for achieving perfectly cooked rotisserie meats. Whether you are a seasoned pro or a beginner, selecting the right motor can significantly impact your grilling experience, ensuring even cooking and preventing frustrating malfunctions. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing a rotisserie motor, helping you find the perfect one to elevate your outdoor cooking. Number 5. Dyna-Glo Rotisserie Kit. This kit is perfect for adding rotisserie functionality to your gas grill. It's compatible with most grills, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor cooking setup. It easily fits most gas grills with a firebox width up to 32 inches. You can now enjoy perfectly roasted meats and vegetables. This kit is designed for simple installation and operation. You'll be enjoying delicious rotisserie meals in no time. It's built to last with high-quality materials. Enjoy years of delicious rotisserie cooking. The 6-foot power cord provides ample reach to your grill's power source. It's designed for your convenience. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. It boasts wide compatibility, ensuring a perfect fit for most gas grills. The included 1-year warranty provides peace of mind. If you need a reliable rotisserie kit with a long power cord, this is the one for you. What people say. It has everything needed to install it. I just received it today and in no time at all I'm cooking a juicy bird. Motor is very quiet and has plenty of cord. The rod is sturdy and looks to be chrome coated. It works perfectly. Solid enough for 2 chickens at a time, works great. Cooked a 5 pounds chicken on it and it came out great. Universal mounting brackets worked on my grill. Number 4. Onlyfire Universal Grill Rotisserie Motor. Upgrade your grilling experience with this powerful and reliable rotisserie motor. It's designed to handle up to 40 pounds of food, ensuring even cooking every time. It boasts a robust 40-pound capacity, perfect for cooking large roasts or poultry. You can easily handle your favorite large cuts of meat. This motor is designed for easy installation. It fits standard 3-inch motor mounts and 5 16-inch square drive rotisserie spit rods, making it a simple replacement for most grills. The anti-backlash gear train ensures smooth and reliable operation, providing consistent rotation for perfectly cooked food. Say goodbye to jerky movements. It's compatible with most major grill brands, including Weber, Charbroil, and more. Check your spit rod size before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. This replacement motor is a simple upgrade that will improve your grilling experience. Order yours today and start enjoying perfectly roasted meals. What we like. This heavy-duty motor can handle rotisserie loads up to 40 pounds. It's designed for easy installation and compatibility with various grill brands. If you need a powerful replacement motor, this is your best bet. What people say. Don't let the size fool you. It works great, is easy to use and is a perfect replacement for my old Weber grill. This was a perfect drop-in replacement for my Weber rotisserie kit for 22 Weber charcoal grill, part number 2290. The old motor was about 10 years old and had been used at least a few times a year. It had lost speed and power and started making groaning noises, especially with unbalanced loads. The rotisserie shaft fit perfectly in the Onlyfire motor slot and it is much smoother and quieter than the Weber model ever was. Even though it draws only 4 watts, it had no problem spinning my 20-pound turkey for the 4 hours it took to get it cooked on Thanksgiving. Bought a no-name rotisserie for my Kamadou grill. Unfortunately it came with a weak motor that could not spin 3 of chicken wings in a basket. This Onlyfire motor is surprisingly quiet and has no problems rotating the same basket of wings. It mounts to the rotisserie just fine upside down, see picture. Recommended. Number 3. OneGrill 4PM05 Rotisserie Motor. This powerful motor is built to last, providing superior performance for your outdoor grilling needs. It's designed for effortless rotisserie cooking, even with heavier loads. It boasts an impressive 72 inches. lbs of torque, 3 times more powerful than most other motors of its size. This ensures smooth and consistent rotation, even with up to 50 pounds of balanced food. It's made with a robust, rust-proof stainless steel case for superior weather resistance and easy maintenance. The internal components are designed for extended use and reliable performance. It's compatible with many major outdoor grill brands, including Weber, Char-Broil, and more. Check the specifications to ensure compatibility with your grill. Manufactured in Taiwan, it offers a significant upgrade over other motors. Experience the difference of a high-quality, long-lasting rotisserie motor. With its powerful motor and durable construction, it makes rotisserie cooking easier and more enjoyable than ever before. Get yours today. What we like. It offers superior power and durability compared to other models. The robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you prioritize power and longevity, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. This motor smoothly turned an 18 turkey for 12 hours with no issues. It fits and works well. Quality parts. The biggest items on the rotisserie would be two 12-pound chickens, one to a turkey and a 15-pound ham. It's not always possible to perfectly balance the load, especially with a 1-2 shank boned ham. There is a big difference in power between a 9-watt and 13-watt motor. It fit on my existing bracket and a perfect fit for my existing spit. Number 2. Dreyoo Universal Rotisserie Grill Kit. It comes with everything you need: motor, skewers, forks, and mounting hardware. It's designed to fit most grills, making it perfect for your next barbecue. The 4W motor rotates food evenly at 2 to 3 RPM. It features a waterproof on-off switch and is UL certified for safety. Made with food-grade 304 stainless steel, it's built to last. It can handle up to 20 pounds of food and is designed for safe, healthy cooking. The adjustable design fits various grill sizes. The split rod design makes storage easy, and a waterproof switch adds to its convenience. It's simple to use and cooks large or small cuts of meat easily. Just make sure your grill has the appropriate mounting holes before you begin. What we like. This all-inclusive kit comes with everything you need to get started. Safety is ensured with UL certification and food-grade materials. If you want a convenient and safe rotisserie experience, this is the perfect option. What people say. I don't know the actual weight capacity of it, but I have put a large ham on it. I have but a tri-tip with 2 New York strips so it can support some weight. Works good and easily to use, good value. Utilized in my Lure UV drying box. Works great. Perfect speed. Number 1. Twidec Synchronous Motor TYC 50-5-6R. This versatile motor is perfect for a variety of applications. It's energy efficient and delivers strong torque for reliable performance. It's built with metal, rubber, and plastic for long-lasting use. Enjoy quiet operation and easy installation. Use it in DIY projects, school assignments, or home appliances. The possibilities are endless. This package includes everything you need to get started: the motor, a flexible coupling, screws, an Allen wrench, and a power cord with switch. The 6-foot power cord features an easy-to-use button switch. It's simple to connect and disconnect. The included quick connector terminal makes wiring a breeze. No tools or crimps are needed for quick and easy connections. It's ideal for cup turntables, Christmas trees, and many other creative projects. Let your imagination run wild. What we like. It's ideal for various applications beyond grilling, offering versatility and precision. The motor is durable and easy to install. If you need a powerful, adaptable motor for multiple projects, this is the one. What people say. Worked out well for my project. Was running for the entire month of October from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. and never skipped a beat. Very durable, great sized, not very noisy, and was easy to assemble for my application. This worked perfectly, spun at the right pace, was almost completely silent, and a bonus was that the hole on the brass part fit perfectly with a bamboo skewer. Connecting the motor to the cord with the provided joining device was extremely easy. I use these motors for kinetic wall art. 5 to 6 RPM works great for these projects, third one in the past month. Complete with cord and coupler. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.